Wow, what a glorious morning. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Hey! What? Hey, watch where you're going. Watch where I'm going. I'm not the one who pulled out onto the main line, not looking for oncoming trains. Oh, you make a valid point. Hey, you look like my blue, but a bit darker. Yeah, you do too. And you kind of look like me a little bit, but bigger and tender. Are you from the Northwestern Railway? Why, yes. Yes, I am. What's going on here? Is this an engine meetup? No, it's not. And even if it was, you weren't invited. Actually, I just came here and just. Detrick, what are you doing? Oh, more engines. Ooh, is this an engine meetup? No. What about me? I'm an engine too. Don't forget about us. Just because we're tiny doesn't mean we're not likable. What about us? And us too. Just because we're not Thomas and friends doesn't mean we can't be liked. Don't forget about me. What about me? And us. All this was a near collision between me and this other engine. Having an engine meetup was a really great idea. We're having the time of our lives. Then, a talking car rolled over. Hey, could you all keep it down? I'm trying to listen to the news. The news? Let me see that. So if you see a purple race car with the number 19 on the side, be sure to avoid him and report him to the police. Breaking news! A huge crowd of cars has been headed over to a group of engines. We have Annie on the news. Thank you, Thomas. So right now all of the cars are getting loaded up in their little basket, trying to fly over to a new destination. And they've just left. Okay, back to you, Thomas. And I have just been informed that the flying group of cars are headed towards a group of engines. I wonder where that group of engines is. Wait, we're a group of engines. We're the only group of engines. So that must mean big flying saucer noises. Run away! Da, 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 da. Hey, we were wondering if you guys wanted to be Oh, they're all gone. Well now, what friends are we supposed to get? Thanks for watching.